Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Stacey. I hope you all are doing very well today. And if you're just stumbling across my channel for the first time, hi there, welcome. My name is Stacey. I am 28 years old from Connecticut, and I am a small online business owner. I have my own business as a virtual assistant, social media manager, business coach, and I'm also a UGC content creator for brands. So I want to welcome you here to this channel. I hope you will consider subscribing and stick around because we have a lot of fun here and I would love for you to join the community. And to my existing subscribers, welcome back. Thank you so much for coming back for a new video. If you've been subscribed to me for some time or you've been following me pretty recently and you've taken a look at my channel in the past couple of days, you would know that I gave a little hint in the community tab saying that I was transitioning this channel a little bit and to stay tuned. So that is what I'm going to talk about today. So I'm so excited to announce that this is my twin sister, Steph. So she is going to be joining this channel. So we're going to be taking part in this channel together from this point forward. In the past, I've had my own channel. If you've been following me, you know that. I've been doing this channel on my own. And my sister actually has had her own booktube channel for quite some time. And because we're super close, we're twins, we do absolutely everything together, we have the same interests, and we live together, we thought it would be really fun to kind of combine our channels and do a channel together. So that is what I wanted to share with you. So moving forward, this channel is going to be a bunch of fun content from both of us. So some of the videos we'll be doing together and then some we'll be doing separately on our own on this channel, depending on the topics that we want to share. So Steph, do you want to introduce yourself to our viewers really quick? Go ahead.
Sure. Hi, I'm Steph. I'm a freelance book editor and a beta reader, and I've been doing booktube since 2014. I took a break from YouTube for a couple years, and then I started uploading videos on my other channel again a couple months ago, but I decided that it would be a lot funner if I shared this channel with my sister because we do everything together. We both love books, and yeah, I'm really excited to do this with my sister, and I hope you guys enjoy our future videos.
Yay! Thank you so much, Steph. That was a great introduction. I couldn't have said it better myself, but we're super close. Like I said, we're twins, and if you've been watching my channel lately, you've probably seen her in the background of a lot of my book shopping vlogs and my other videos because, like I said, we're always together. So we wanted to come together and, like I said, make YouTube our little passion project together since we do a lot of the same things. So we're super excited to be doing this channel together moving forward. And on this channel, you can expect everything from business content, lifestyle, books, because we're both huge bookworms and love to read. So we'll be doing some like live reading sprints and a lot of fun reading vlogs, book shopping vlogs. And then we'll also be doing fashion content, planning content, vlogs, just daily lifestyle, cooking, you name it. So anything in those areas, if that kind of content interests you, we would love to have you. If you're not already, stick around and hit the subscribe button. We would really love for you to support our journey together on here. If you're not subscribed already, we would really appreciate that. So we're very, very excited about the direction of this channel. I think it's going to be so much fun, and I hope you enjoy our future content, and you like seeing our different personalities but also our similarities. So I hope you enjoy both of our content. We're going to be creating some new ideas. If you have any video requests for us, definitely leave them in a comment below because we would love to hear from you. We're always looking for new content, new video ideas. So we would love to hear from you. But that is it. I just wanted to come on to announce the new direction of this channel, introduce my sister Steph to you, since my channel name has changed. It is now Stacey and Steph. I've updated everything on our channel because we're doing it together. So we're really, really excited. We hope you will support us. So thank you so much for watching this video today.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
Yes. And if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up to like it. It really helps support our channel. Leave a comment down below, like I said, with your thoughts and any video ideas you have. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. We really want to grow this channel this year, and we would really appreciate your support. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have an amazing day, and we will be back in a few days with a new video. Bye, everyone.
Happy reading.